So guys, in this video we will learn future tense. This is our tenses part 3 video. Part 1 and part 2 is uploaded, that is about present and past. As we have discussed those two, same as that, this future tense is also categorized into 4 different types. Simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. So before going in detail, let us know what is future tense shows. Future tense is a verb tense used for a future activity or a future state of being. So let us remind again the past and present. Past is about that action which had already completed. Present is about the right now activities, and future is about the future state of being. Means we are hoping that something will happen. We are planning for that. Let's see. There are two different words used in a future tense: will and shall. Will shows the willingness and shall shows the determination. So there is a traditional use that will should be used for all and shall should be used only with the first person, that is I and we. Let's see the structure of simple present tense here. Subject we have to use, will we have to use, and then V1, that is nothing but base verb we have to use. See here, I shall as per the traditional or I will go, both are correct. So next, any helping verbs you can use here, any pronoun you can use, or the name of the person you can use, will go. So that's it, only will is etc. Extra here. Will shows the willingness. I am showing you will shows the willingness, means I will go means you are willing to go. I will write means you are willing to write. I will read means you are willing to read. So that's what. Let's see the future continuous tense. It shows an ongoing action in the future. Means an action will be going on in the future time. So right now I am making the video. So I can tell that tomorrow by this time I will be making another video. I will be making. So be is extra. Subject plus will plus be plus ing. I will be going. We will be enjoying. They will be playing, etc. So will is normal and be is extra. As we are using is, am, are in the present, was, were in the past. So here we have to use be helping verb. Next, see the future perfect tense. Future perfect tense shows an action that will have been completed at some point in the future. An action that will be starting in the future and will be completed. Let's see the structure. Subject will, have plus V3. Will is used as per the future. So have as usual we are using in the present also. And whenever have comes, whenever perfect tense comes, V3 is must. Means verb 3 form is PPT form, present, past participle form you have to use. I will have gone. We will have enjoyed. They will have played, etc. Future perfect continuous tense. It shows an ongoing action that will be completed at some specified time in the future. An action which will be going on in the future and we are hoping that it will get completed. Structure: subject plus will have plus been plus ing. Before learning this, just remind once about the present tense. So same present tense rule we are using, just the will is extra in the future. So I will have been going, you will have been enjoying, they will have been writing, etc. So I assure you that if you learn the tenses, if you want to learn the tenses, you must know the verb forms. 5 forms of verbs are there. That is V1 form, yes or es form, ing form, V2 form and V3 form. These are the 5 forms of verbs. If you know these 5 forms, you will make a meaningful sentence without any hurdles.